Even celebrities with millions of dollars at their disposal can see the value in mediation to avoid having a court process, which might not only be more expensive, but also may not have as good outcomes. There was a case where Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt had a winery, and one of the parties was trying to sell off their portion of the winery to a third party, and there was some dispute about whether or not that was acceptable without prior approval. And this lawsuit was kind of winding its way through the courts, and both parties went to the mediation process to try to resolve this. And as part of that case, there was a jury trial requested, but there was an agreement to participate in a settlement conference or mediation session as a form of alternate dispute resolution, right? The court ordered that both sides meet and confer over a unified discovery schedule. So what this shows is that both parties to this case and the court are trying to avoid the litigation by using a alternate dispute resolution process. And this is important because once the parties go into court and submit this case to a judge or a jury, it's out of their control. They don't have any more control over the final outcome. Where with mediation, the parties would be able to control the process and to have some say in what the result is. From a celebrity standpoint, another reason for mediation is there's the risk of damaging the reputation of the parties, in this case of the winery, because if it goes to court, it's all public records, right? And you have to present evidence and do discovery. Where in mediation, you can do this all behind closed doors and not have to worry about whether or not what you have to testify in court to prove your case is something you want out in the public. This way, a mediator can see the record, see the evidence, and suggest where this case is going to go and allow you to form your own self and mutually beneficial arrangement, not having a court force you into something that maybe neither party wants to do.